Okay, we are out here with the 289D3 skid steer with this grapple. The timber cutters have just got through cleaning getting what they could out of this woods that got knocked down by the Hurricane Helene. They left a lot of it and they got a lot, but they have moved on now to another property about 5 miles from here. So I brought the skid steer out here to see just what will this skid steer do. We use it around the sawmill and it's very useful there, picking up logs, all kinds of stuff, but just what will it do in this setting here of cut over woods. Now I'm trying to use it just to make a road right now so that I can drive back here. It will dig up roots. You have to go slow and easy, and you don't want to, but this size right here, that's a tree that they cut off and I dug the root up. Here's a small one right here. Dug that one up. Pushed it out of the way. This thing's not going to get any huge tree roots, so you're pretty much going to have to go around them. So I'm just getting a feel for it. You know, what will this machine do? What am I going to do with this property now that the one like that right there, a stump like that, I'll show you how big it is. There's my foot. It'll dig that one up, but it'd take a long time and you'd have to take your time. How do people clean up big properties like this? If you just let it alone, of course, the forest will come back and the trees that are on the ground will eventually rot. And it'll reclaim itself. And in a number of years, 20 or 30 years, you'll have another forest out here that would be commercially viable. But right now, it looks to me like the skid steer is going to be useful for cleaning up small areas for specific purposes. Like roadways that I can bring the four-wheeler back here and work on the fences and stuff like that. And so I just thought I'd just make this video and show just what this kind of machine will do. You wouldn't want to buy one of these to clean up 100 acres of cut over forest, I can tell you that. We are looking to find a used bulldozer with a root rake and maybe use that. If you had to hire somebody to do this, it would be prohibitive. But nature takes care of itself, and if we don't do anything, this will eventually return to forest. We got I haven't found out what they're going to pay for this wood that they got, but we were told it won't be much because there's so much of it down all over the South Georgia. All right, just giving you a little update and show you kind of what's going on here with the Caterpillar 289D3. Okay, thank you for watching.